I was just getting ready to make a video here for the YouTube channel, and I thought, why not use AI to make the video? So of course I opened up NVIDIA AI, right? I'm kidding. This isn't about automation, but this is about another form of AI. ChatGPT, video idea, top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. This is the video that I'm going to make here on the channel. That's not this video, it's the video that I'm going to make later. This is the process of generating or making a video using AI. Now, how did I get here? I copied in all this information that you see here, and I started with a simple input. Some people like to call these prompts. I prefer to call them inputs, and it's the conversation that I'm having with ChatGPT. I need a good video idea for a video to make on my YouTube channel today. Below is the video titles, or below are the video titles of my most popular videos on my YouTube channel. Give me a good title, summary, and keyword and thumbnail idea to make a video today. Then you can see a lot of information right here. Where did that information come from, and why does it just look so disorganized? Because I simply went to my YouTube channel and I clicked on popular. When that loaded up, I scrolled down and I simply just did this. I just copied these first 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 videos. I just copied that information. I took it back to the AI. This is what AI is for. AI is to have a conversation, to generate ideas. It's to take data, just copy and paste data and just give it to the AI and let the AI figure out what all that data is and then crunch some information and give you a video idea. Video idea. Top 5 marketing or top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 affiliate marketing trends that are set to dominate in 2024. Some keywords, a thumbnail idea. Here's a sample layout for the thumbnail. Then I said to ChatGPT, well, that's great, but okay, now give me the top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. It gave me a few ideas, which are all great. Some of these I may add in my video, others I may not, depending on what I want to talk about. And that's part of using AI. I went to Gemini, and let's see what Gemini comes up with more of a Google search, right? Or plugged into Google, or the thought process of, if I say top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024, what you need to know, what is the difference that Gemini is going to give me, this AI versus ChatGPT? I can also take that over to Perplexity, and I can say the top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. It's going to give me an answer, and it's going to give me a little bit different answer. The next step, and it's not AI, is to take the AI-generated headline, the headline that AI generated for us. So the idea and the concept all came from AI, but we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to do real research by saying top affiliating marketing trends for 2024 or top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. I guess I could get the AI to speak for me, but the point here is top 5 affiliate marketing trends of 2024. Here is 11,000 views 2 months ago, so I could watch that. Of course, I could put that in Gemini and have it give me a summary. Then there's all these other ideas, and of course, there's lots of these sponsored videos or ads. There's some shorts here as well. But if I scroll down, or if I keep scrolling down, I'm looking, I see this one, and it's the 10 best affiliate marketing programs you need to join in 2024. Now, that isn't the top 5 affiliate marketing trends, but it's another video idea. And it also gives me a concept here, and I take that and I keep doing the research. The research it all started that was generated, the ideation process, the focus that came from using AI to help me make a YouTube video. Now I'm looking at the 10 best affiliate marketing programs that you need to join, and then I'm taking that over to what I teach, and I'm saying, now, inside of that video, what is missing? Or from my proven top strategy, traffic offer people, the 3 pillars that I teach to do affiliate marketing, joining an affiliate program is not the first thing that I do. It's actually the second thing I do, because I teach and I preach that your focus should be on generating traffic or creating a traffic source. Which leads me back to AI and the conversation that I had with Gemini after I got a summary of that video. Like I said a minute ago, I would just take that URL and I would say, hey, what's this video about? It's going to talk about what it's about. I'm going to ask it what's missing from the video. It's going to give me some questions that beginning affiliate marketers might ask, more video ideas. But as you know here on the channel, or if you don't know here on the channel, link in the description, my What's Missing series is how I talk about the videos like this that lead certain people, beginners particularly, down the wrong path. So I asked ChatGPT, and again, the conversation with the AI is all about generating ideas to create more videos. So I said, what's more important and what order should you prioritize them when it comes to affiliate marketing? Having a traffic source, that is creating content, or picking an offer to promote? It came back and it said traffic versus offer, which comes first, which is another great video that I could make. Now I'm up to 3 different video ideas that have all been generated by AI. The short answer is both are crucial, but traffic typically takes precedence. At this point, I'm just happy and in agreement, or I'm happy that AI is in agreement with me, and of course my strategy where I teach traffic then offer, or what this video is talking about, which is going and finding affiliate programs, which is finding affiliate programs to find offers. And then I go back to ChatGPT and the fact that, hey, give me an idea based upon what I've already created. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, go to somebody else's YouTube channel and look at what they're creating and say, hey, give me an idea based upon all this information. And then let's look at what ChatGPT comes up with. And for me, the next video I'm going to make is the top 5 affiliate marketing trends for 2024 you need to know. Of course, I'll do a little more research and I will actually look at what is trending based upon real research to go along with what the AI is telling me, because the AI is real research. But just like I was having a little fun with NVIDIA AI at the beginning, when you get into the world of using AI and you think you can just push a button and it's going to generate you a video, or it's going to generate you all the research, that's where you're actually missing the point. And that's what's missing in all or the majority of the AI videos out there, or the AI training that you're going through, is that you have to focus here on the fact that AI is a powerful tool, but it's not as powerful as this tool up here, which is your brain, your own thoughts, your own creative juices, the ability to think and look at what's happening in your niche around your topic and creating content that is actually helpful for the folks that are tuning in to watch the video. Hopefully, just like this video was helpful for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And the AI algorithm robot for YouTube would love it as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.